Hello everyone, welcome to Vandy's World. Today I'm going to show you 3-in-1 potato 65 recipe. This is my mom's recipe and we just love it at home. So I thought let's share this recipe with all of you. So I will be teaching you 3 recipes starting with potato 65, potato chili fry and potato Manchurian. I have taken 250 grams of baby potato. Always use baby potato for this recipe. I have boiled it with salt. 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala. And here I've got 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 1 tablespoon of maida. This will give us a crisp coating. A pinch of asafoetida or ing. This is good for digestion. Since we're using potato, it's always better to include ing. So let's start preparing potato 65. The first step is let's prepare the base of potato 65. To the potato, let's add the chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, salt. Then add ing, a pinch of asafoetida or ing. This is good for digestion since we are preparing potato. Now let's add in the corn flour and the maida. So 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of maida. Mix it all together. Now salt, if you've already added it to the potato and boiled it, check the requirement and add the salt if needed. Now mix it all together, add a little bit of water and make it into a fine paste. Coat the potatoes evenly in this mixture. So the potato is well combined, leave it aside for 5 minutes. So in the meantime, let's heat a pan and add oil. We have to fry the potatoes as well. So add sufficient oil as needed to fry. Then add in the potatoes into the oil once it's heated and start frying it. Fry these on medium flame, don't let it burn. It needs to retain the golden brown color. Fry it until crisp on both sides. While you're frying this, you'll actually hear that cluttering sound of these potatoes. It is actually crisp. So it's the right time to remove it from the fire. Transfer all these onto a tissue paper to remove the excess oil. So the base of this recipe, which is potato 65, is now ready. You can actually stop at this stage. It will taste yum with curd rice or sambar. So you can stop at this stage, but our recipe doesn't stop here. So let's move on. So our second recipe, potato chili fry. So let's get started. For this we require the prepared potato 65 base, few green chilies finely chopped, 1 medium sized onion chopped and a bunch of spring onions. Heat oil in a pan. I'm using the same oil which we fried the potato. Add the chopped onions and fry until translucent. Add in the chopped green chilies. You can add more chilies if you want to, and fry this well. Once onions are fried, add in the chopped spring onions into it. Now you need to nicely fry the spring onions until the moisture is completely released. The spring onions are nicely sauteed and I'm getting a lovely fragrance from this. So let's add in the ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon, and saute it well until the raw smell completely goes. So the onions and the ginger garlic is nicely cooked. We'll add in the curry leaves. The curry leaves flavor will be really good when it is frying. I just love the flavor which is released. So it's now time to add in the fried potato 65. So mix these potatoes into the prepared onion mixture. Glaze it nicely. The potatoes and the spring onions needs to be coated evenly. That's when you'll have this taste in every bite you eat. So our crispy potato chili fry is now ready. It is evenly coated. So it is just tasting yum. So our second recipe is done, but this doesn't end. We still have to make our potato Manchurian. So let's look forward for that. So our final recipe, potato Manchurian. Let's get started. For this we are going to continue from where we stopped. Our chili fry where we stopped will have to continue by adding ketchup. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, 1 to 2 tablespoon, and then 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Okay, and then mix it all together. Mix it evenly. The potatoes have to be nicely coated in this ketchup and soy sauce. And if you can also check now if you want to add a little chili powder or chili sauce in case you want the potatoes to be more spicy. Saute this for like 1 to 2 minutes until the ketchup and the sauce is cooked and it is combined and coated in the potato. So now garnish it with chopped coriander leaves and give it a good mix. So presenting potato Manchurian just for all of you. I hope you enjoyed today's video and you have learnt the 3 recipes: potato 65, potato chili fry and potato Manchurian. Do try this recipe and I would definitely recommend you to try all the 3 recipes one day at a time, and everyone will love this recipe at home. Please leave your comments below to let me know how it was, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell icon to receive notifications of all my videos. We'll see you again with more exciting recipes. Until then, take care. Bye bye.